Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Indonesia is evaluating the purchase of 42 J-10 fighter jets from China to modernize its air force. The J-10s, noted for their affordability and advanced capabilities, are being considered alongside US-made F-15X fighters. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have agreed to elevate their strategic partnership, focusing on bilateral cooperation and regional peace. The agreement was reached during Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's visit to Saudi Arabia. In a significant move for India's defense manufacturing, Dassault Aviation and Tata Advanced Systems will produce Rafale fighter jet fuselages in Hyderabad. This marks the first time Rafale parts will be made outside France. Recent conflicts have exposed vulnerabilities in Russia's S-400 air defense system. Signals intelligence has been instrumental in identifying these weak points, challenging the system's reputed invincibility. The Pakistan Air Force's No. 15 Squadron, known as the Cobras, will be honored for their role in downing 6 Indian jets during recent aerial engagements. A formal ceremony is scheduled later this month.
Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates.
In a significant financial development, Pakistan has secured an $800 million bailout package from the Asian Development Bank. This approval comes despite strong objections from India, which raised concerns over potential misuse of funds and Pakistan's alleged support for terrorism. The ADB's decision follows a $1 billion package Pakistan received from the International Monetary Fund last month, aiming to stabilize its economy amid ongoing fiscal challenges. On June 7, 2025, Russia launched a massive drone and missile assault on Kharkiv, Ukraine's second-largest city. The attack, described by local officials as the most powerful since the war's inception, resulted in at least 3 deaths and over 20 injuries. Residential buildings, including apartments and private homes, were heavily damaged. This escalation follows Ukraine's recent drone strikes on Russian airfields, indicating a significant intensification in the ongoing conflict. In the aftermath of recent air attacks in Kashmir, students residing near the line of control are grappling with psychological trauma. Despite schools reopening following a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, many students report ongoing fear and anxiety. The airstrikes have disrupted education and left lasting emotional scars, highlighting the conflict's profound impact on the region's youth. The U.S. Air Force estimates that retrofitting a luxury Boeing 747-8 jet gifted by Qatar for presidential use will cost less than $400 million. This figure is significantly lower than earlier projections of up to $1 billion. The modifications aim to meet stringent security and communication standards required for Air Force One. However, the plan has sparked ethical debates and concerns over potential delays to the existing VC-25B program. Pakistan's National Radio and Telecom Corporation has announced an upgrade to its KR-300 radar system, enhancing its capability to detect stealth aircraft. The improvements involve advanced signal processing and frequency modulation techniques, aiming to counter low observable aerial threats. This development signifies Pakistan's commitment to bolstering its air defense systems amid evolving regional security dynamics. Pakistan has recently enhanced the security of its nuclear command infrastructure by constructing deep tunnel systems reaching up to 1 kilometer below the surface. These fortified underground networks, part of strategic sites like Kirana Hills and Sargodha, include multiple reinforced galleries capable of withstanding direct strikes. Equipped with hardened access routes, sensor grids, and secure communications channels, the tunnels ensure command continuity even during high-intensity conflict. Analysts note that this engineering update strengthens deterrence by safeguarding leadership and warhead control mechanisms from precision bunker-busting munitions. In response to escalating protests over immigration raids, former President Donald Trump has deployed 2,000 National Guard troops to Los Angeles. The protests, sparked by a wave of ICE operations, quickly turned violent in some areas, including Compton and Paramount, where clashes with law enforcement led to multiple arrests and property damage. While the White House framed the deployment as necessary to restore order, critics, including local officials, condemned it as a politically motivated show of force. The move reignited debates over federal authority and the role of military force in handling civil unrest. Tensions remain high as communities call for restraint and accountability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.